Teddy, segment 4, off the mic. Major League Baseball always trying to improve itself. They're trying to get the millennials off their cell phones, get them out to the ballparks and watching on games. Look, unless you're just cutting out commercials or cutting out warm-ups and, it's not striking out as much at the plate, you're not going to get the old guard. You should just concentrate on the people that like baseball and get back into the ballparks there. Pitching clock's been tabled till 2022 as the negotiations already start. Are we going to have a pitcher come in and only face 3 batters at this point? And are we going to shorten the inning stretches by like 15 seconds between? I mean, I don't know what they're trying to do, Teddy. I don't know if it's going to bring people back to viewing. How about just not striking out as much, putting the ball in play, and we'll all enjoy this game? How about it?
Well, I mean, baseball has a long-term issue in that their older fans are not being replaced by newer, younger fans. And part of the issue is the length of the game. There's dozens of issues of what baseball's done wrong. Hello, embrace betting. But when you talk about a pitch clock, to me, it's an interesting concept. People like the clock, ticking down, all of that. I don't know that it's great for the game, but if I'm MLB, I do something. It's an interesting idea. So what do? Let's table it till 2022. That's the way baseball works. One wrong decision and bad decision after the next. I do worry about the future of the game. I really do. When you look at 20, 30 years down the line, I don't know where baseball's fans are going to come from. And I'm not convinced that the action is going to be exciting enough to keep the fans that they already have thoroughly entertained.